Hello everyone, welcome to the Beginner to Advanced C course. In this video, we will be learning about basic structure of the C program while writing our first program, which is hello.c. So let's get started. I'm using a nano text editor. You can use any editor of your choice. I'll be commenting about what we'll be doing in this file, the first line. So printing hello world. Alright, after that, we now include stdio.h, which is a header file which tells compiler to include the standard input-output library. #include stdio.h. Alright, we now write our main function. This is our main function. This is the starting point for all of the C programs. The int right here represents that it returns an integer, and this represents that there are no arguments as of now. The opening curly brace represents the start of the function, and this represents the end of the function. So our aim today is to print hello world. We'll be using a function from this library, printf. Alright. You can include any sentence of your choice here. So hello world. Let's make that capital. You can also make it go to the next line by including an escape sequence \n, and a semicolon is a must. We return 0 to indicate that there are no errors in the scope, like it doesn't give out any error. Only then we'll be having 0 return. Okay, that's it for our code. Now let's compile it, save, and we'll compile it by this command, gcc hello.c, converting into object file hello. Oh, it is okay. If you do not have GCC, you can always install it by this command, sudo apt install GCC. It takes some while. And now we have it. Let's clear our terminal, run the same command, gcc, this one, to compile our program. It is compiled, we have got no warnings or errors. Now we can run the command by putting /help. There we have it, hello world. Just to recap, we learned the basic skeleton of the C program, the preprocessor directive include. We got to know all C programs start with the main function and then the syntax of the printf. That's it for this video.